Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated glow text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word shining, and I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to. And then you're going to basically scroll down to glow, and you're going to add this one, and you're going to adjust the intensity a little bit. So you're going to add a keyframe here, you're going to add it here, and then here you're going to scroll down again and you're going to adjust the intensity. Did I not? Okay, and add the keyframe. Here I'm going to add one first. And then here I'm going to make the intensity low again. And then here I'm going to make it go up again, and you're just going to do that to all of it. And that's it. You can even change the color if you'd like to, but I'm not going to. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!